Where do you want to create a life for your family? If you want a well-planned city, a clean and a safe city, a thoughtfully designed city, then the city that you can always look up to is the beautiful Bhartiya City. But our city is not just about its spotless roads, lush green parks, or luxurious amenities. What brings the city to life is our people and communities. It's when kids meet for the first time, without realizing that they would be friends for life. It's when friends become partners in crime. It's when colleagues cycle together, not just once in a while, but to their nearby office every day. And elders get a gang of their own and never feel alone. It's these moments of happiness that define what our life is all about. And we are proud to have been building a city that's designed to create happy communities. This vision of Bhartiya City is now getting even bigger and bolder. After creating happy communities with our highly revered Nikoo Homes, we are coming up with the much-awaited Nikoo Homes 4. Design your perfect life around a perfect home. Come home to Nikoo. With clubhouses, rooftop pools, gardens, and various sports facilities, create a healthy and happening social life. With the city built around a sprawling, lush green Central Park, stay urban, yet close to nature. With world-class companies right in your neighborhood at BCIT, explore work opportunities close by to build a rewarding career. At our Chaman Bhartiya School, which is ranked among the top 10 emerging schools in Bangalore, unlock the true potential of your kids and see them evolve as the leaders of tomorrow. A movie night at the multiplex, dinner at a restaurant of your choice, and endless shops to shop from. The Bhartiya Mall of Bengaluru tops it all. And if you want to go beyond and experience what luxury is, choose Leela Residences, your luxury home serviced and maintained by the Leela. With every aspect of the city designed around you and your happiness, come be a part of the community to experience living like never before at the beautiful Bhartiya City.